Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Good morning, traders. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time zone you're in. What is good? Hoping everybody is well. It is Tuesday, for me at least. And we're back at it. We're back at it. Cool. So let's start with the dollar index, as we usually do. Here we go. As we usually do. The last time we spoke was like Thursday, I think, if I'm correct. Thursday or Friday. And this particular candle over here had just been printed. Or was it? No, this was all the way the other week. Okay, let's actually work our way from this Friday where this particular candle got printed. Obviously, this is a reversal pattern right here, reversal candle. We all know about this candle over here. And since then, since these lows were printed, price has steadily reversed back into this consolidation box, which I hate because we consolidated in here for 3 weeks, but it seems as though we have broken through it. Now, I've been short on the dollar. And when I say short, I don't mean I actually had trades that were short on the dollar. No, but just like from my analysis point of view, that's kind of like what I was anticipating. I was anticipating gold to continue rallying, and I was anticipating for the dollar to keep on falling, right? However, about 2 weeks ago, this begins to happen, right? So you would expect to see the opposite happening on gold. Not really, right? Young retracement, nothing too crazy. But before I move on, I'm not done with the dollar index as yet. So, simple question, where do we see it going from here? I haven't done any analysis for this week, so I'm going to be doing everything kind of like on the fly. So if it takes a while, forgive me. Let me see here. Major level here. This is a major level. This 104.54. Major in the sense that we should hit it. Let me delete this. We should reach 104.52. We should reach 104.52. It wouldn't make sense for us to, what could I say, reverse from where we currently are. Because I don't think this support is that strong, to be honest. Let me see. Draw a level here. It seems as though we're rejecting off of it. It seems as though we're rejecting off of it. Obviously, I've spoken about how I draw my key levels. As you can see, we reacted to the level there. It's a very significant level, and we're reacting to it now. Okay? We are reacting to it now. Let me draw a trend line. here, there, there, something like that. Copy, paste. Let's say the next one is possibly here. So where to from here? I think I'm going to delete this because it's kind of like not necessary now. Where to from here? Let's leave this like this and then we'll come back to it. Let's go to gold. So I did some analysis on a very high, time frame, and I predicted that we could potentially see $2,416 on gold. Now I know that's crazy, but yeah, that's what I predicted some weeks ago, and I'm sticking to my guns. So looking at what's happening right now, is it a retracement? Is it a flag? Is it a complete reversal of trend? Which day? Is it a complete reversal of the trend? I don't know. I really don't know. However, like I said initially, I still believe that gold is going to hit the 2400s. However, on its way to doing that, it could reverse, like a decent reversal. This to me looks like a triangle pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that there. And then draw another one here. What do they call it? It's a wedge. Triangle pattern wedge, whatever. That's what it looks like to me. And this is a bullish pattern. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is a bullish pattern, which means we're expecting a breakout to the top. Can we break out to the bottom? It's possible. However, if we're just like sticking to what we've learned over the years, the breakout to the top side is on the cards. Now, from a behavioral standpoint, gold is a reversal commodity. I don't trade gold often. I only trade it when I find good opportunities. Here we go. Good opportunity. I took it, made some money. I'm happy. I'm going to trade gold this week because I believe that this is what's going to happen. Wait, let me see here. Okay. Today's Tuesday. Monday was on there. Yeah. So gold has been bearish essentially from the open of Monday, and it's still lower than the open of Monday. So it's looking like I'm going to take a long on this. In fact, I'm going to take a long on this trade. I'm going to take a buy on this trade. I'm going to take a buying opportunity on gold this week. Will I hold it until we reach 2400? Probably not. Probably not. I'll probably tap out around 2200, 2210, something like that. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing on gold. I'm seeing a potential buying opportunity coming within the near future. I'm going to be placing this trade either this evening or tomorrow morning. Before we move on, I just want to show you guys this. So this week, as much as there's been like quite a bit of high impact news, it hasn't really done much to influence the market because of this, the FOMC statement. I've said this before on the week of an NFP or an FOMC statement, you're going to see the market be stagnant. You're going to see it range a lot in anticipation for the high impact news releases. So we have AUD, JPY, we had the CAD CPI. Nothing really happened. Nothing really notable happened. Tomorrow we have FOMC. The funny thing is that I believe the last time I traded gold, it was also FOMC, and it was a very quick trade. So maybe it'll be the same thing, but I'm going to be looking to take my buying opportunity on gold within the next 12 hours. Yeah, within the next 12 hours. So by the time FOMC comes around, I'm going to already be positioned, hopefully correctly. Now let's go back to the dollar index. Now, since I believe that gold is going to rally in the near term, I think this could be playing out on the dollar index. Possibly something like this. It coming back to that level at the bottom. Finding support, going up, or breaking support, coming back up. No. There you go. Some ideas in regards to the dollar index, right? But in the near term, I see the dollar index going down, which will bring down USD franc. It'll bring down USD CAD. It'll bring down USD JPY. Should, at least. Okay, so that's gold dealt with already. Pound CAD. Let's see, what do we have here? We came out of this trend line. My initial idea with this was that I would sell the highs and I would buy the lows, pretty much in the same range as when we broke out of this trend line. So I'm still sticking to my guns in regards to pound CAD. If we find ourselves up here, I'm going to sell. If we find ourselves down here, I'm going to buy. USD CAD. Nothing really happening. This is pretty much mimicking the dollar index. So yeah, I don't really see anything of value happening right here. I don't see anything of value really happening. I've got a little trade over here. If this were to just rally, so that would take me out some profit on that trade. But yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see an opportunity. Euro pound. This has been ranging. This has been ranging. Yeah, I don't see anything. There's like a huge little box here. Let me just draw it. my strategy doesn't do really well in a tight range. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's happening there. AUD Frank, we did some analysis on this last week. I said that it would be a buy. Since then, we've kind of ranged a little. Still consider this to be a buy. Euro AUD, we bought it somewhere down here, went up, seems to be retracing a little bit. I still think there's a lot of upside potential here on Euro AUD. AUD NZD, this is near target over here. I did this analysis with you guys last week. I said that AUD NZD, I think we're even down here somewhere. And I said that this is a buy. You can either target this key level or you can target this one up here. USD JPY. Now, funny enough, since the dollar index is bearish, or at least I expect it to be, you would think you'd see the same type of bearish momentum happening on the USD JPY. And you don't see any. You don't see any. Like, this is just a full ass bullish candle. Okay. I have pending orders below price and above price. So if we happen to keep rallying, I'm going to get entered long. If we come back down and retrace, I'm going to be entered short. I'm basically, half and half on where this could possibly go. GA is nothing there. USD franc, nothing here either. Could be a buy though, eh? Because hold on, USD JPY, very bullish. USD franc, that looks like a bullish flag. I'll go to dollar index. It's bullish. Broke through the trend line. This looks like a flag to me. This looks like a flag to me. This is tricky. And it's worse that FMC is happening tomorrow night. This is very tricky because this looks like a flag. And if you look at the dollar index, the fact that it's broken out to the bullish side on this trend line, which means that there is, there's a chance that it can rally. And because, FMC is what? 28 hours from now. FMC is 28 hours from now. Once FMC hits, whatever it's going to do, it's going to do it very aggressively. So if it's going to sell off, it's going to sell off aggressively. Interesting. But yeah, where I'm sitting, USD franc is a buy. USD JPY, like I said, I've got to buy a bullish trade. I can find the actual entry. My entry on a bullish trade on USD JPY is at 15193. There. Let me just place the trade once. One 14814. Something like that with my target. There. Something like that. Okay, so that's my USD JPY possible bullish trade. If we continue rallying, USD franc to me, it looks like a buy. I'm going to look again tonight, tomorrow morning, see if I can find a better entry. Yeah. Anyway, so let's move on to the trades that I'm currently holding. Pound NZD was the trade that I got into recently. This morning, if I'm correct, if not yesterday. It's quite a sizable trade, if I'm being honest. Quite a sizable trade, but you know, the cool thing about Pound NZD is that it moves. You know, once it picks a direction, it really doesn't hesitate. So it's a 3-2-1 that I'm kind of looking for on this trade here. If I zoom out, you'll see a really big head and shoulder pattern. 1, 2, 3. This is the neckline, on a break of the neckline, and I'm aiming for a about 570 pips on this trade. A 3-1. So that's in a little bit of profit. AUD CAD. Oh, very stressful trade here. I thought I was going to maybe get stopped out of this, but you know. I was actually saved by, where is it? Tab. Oh my gosh. My bad, guys. My bad. I didn't change it back from the calendar. Snap. Share this tab. My apologies, guys. My apologies. Where was I? So, oh yes, USD JPY. Sorry about that. Let's go back. So USD JPY, this is the trade that I am sitting on right now. It is a 1 to 1.5. If we continue moving up, I'm going to enter long on it. I must say that as much as I've got this bearish bias on USD, it's looking very bullish. It is looking bullish. And it's weird because gold, I mean, that to me is a bullish pattern forming over there. But when I look at, okay, fine, the dollar index is broken out of this trend line to the upside. Sure, it can retrace a little bit and then rally. I look at USD franc, and this is a bullish flag here, bullish momentum, consolidation. We're expecting a bullish break to the top side. And then we have all of this bullish momentum right now in USD JPY. It's making me feel that, you know, maybe the dollar is going to rally tomorrow night after FOMC. I have nothing on US on GBP AUD. Yes, and then we're talking about the trades that I'm currently active in right now. I'm active in this trade right now. Pound NZD, I took it this morning. It is a 3-1 trade, which seems like it might be excessive, but as you can see with Pound NZD, I tend to get the 3-1 because Pound NZD moves quite a bit. Okay, it picks a direction and it just moves. So I'm looking for 3-1 on Pound NZD. If we zoom out of this chart, you'll see here there is a head and shoulders. Shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2. This is the neckline, break of the neckline to the top. Very simple, very uncomplicated. That's what I'm expecting on Pound NZD. Moving on to AUD CAD. AUD CAD has been giving me a headache. We were so close to securing at least 2-1 on this. We were, what were we, like 40 pips away from targets, and we reversed. And we reversed quite aggressively, to be honest with you. Like, this whole candle was bearish, and I was like, okay. Thankfully, I had moved my stop to half risk. But I thought, okay, sure, looks like it's going to be a stop loss, but, you know, I was saved by the CPI news that came out on Canada about 3 hours ago. That helped. That helped the price kind of, you know, recover. So I'm still holding on to this with my target up here at 8986. That's AUD CAD. New Zealand CAD. I think I missed my stop loss on this by like a pip or something. So thank God for, you know, zero spreads. I have 2 trades on this. I have 2 trades on this. I drew this channel, descending channel last week. Hoping that, if it did fall, we find some type of support either at this key level or on the trend line. It seems as though we're rejecting both of them. My stop on the first trade was 8192, and this low was 8193. So definitely missed my stop loss by 1 pip. Cool. I'm obviously hoping and anticipating for some bullish momentum up. I would really appreciate that, to be honest with you. I am risking 1 to make 2 on both of these trades. And then I've got a potential sell up here as well. So that is my £1 NZD trade, my AUD CAD trade, and my 2 New Zealand CAD trades. Okay. Now for this week. As I mentioned, I'm going to be taking a USD JPY trade within the next 12 hours. I'm going to be taking an AUD franc trade. Let's see what we can do, actually. Let's do it. Let's do it together. USD JPY. Okay. It might be this trade and another one. So let me just see what's happening here. Nice. Huh. Okay. Which means this one. Okay, yeah. So I'm looking to take the USD JPY trade. As I said, this is the trade to buy it. If we don't get filled and we come back down, I will take the shorts without even flinching. That's the first trade I'm going to be taking. AUD franc. I'm going to do on the 4 hour. You know what? I don't need these. Let me just delete it. If we continue with this bullish momentum, like this candle closes in about 2 hours, and we open another that also closes bullish, I am going to take a long on this. Remember, I already said that I was looking for higher prices, potentially. Yeah, we close bullish on this candle, open another one, close bullish on that candle. I'm going to enter long on AUD franc. Next trade, I'm going to be taking gold. Um, it's a conundrum. Look, it's not unusual, I would say, for the dollar index to not reciprocate the dollar. Okay. Case in point, you have all of this bullish trend here that you don't see on the dollar index. So, is it possible that two a commodity and a index that would normally operate independently of one another start to just do two completely different things? Or let me say two one commodity and one index that naturally do the opposite of what the other does. Okay, the dollar index goes down, gold goes up. That's how they behave naturally. But it can happen that the dollar index goes up and gold goes up. It can happen because I can't get over how bullish this is. However, this little line here, I'm going to use this as almost like my guiding stick. If we remain beneath this line by the end of day today, I will take the long on gold. Even though it's looking like I'm going to be long on USD too, I will take the long on gold. If for whatever reason we don't really have, let me see, today, yeah, we don't have any additional news for today. Um, if for whatever reason gold rallies over the next, I don't know, 6, 7 hours and gets above this line, I'm gonna then consider taking shorts. I don't know. Do with that what you will, eh? Do with that what you will. I mean, We stay beneath that, I'm going to be looking for a buy. We get above it, I'm going to be looking for a sell. I'm making peace with that decision. Pound CAD. I think this might be a sell. Yeah. I might sell this. I might sell this. Euro pound. Euro pound up, consolidation. Wait. Could be wrong. Monday, how far are we trending lower? Yeah, we are. Hold up. I think I was looking too far back. Let's see. This is Monday. The highs are up here. It's trending lower. Okay. Euro pound goes down, pound USD goes up, gold goes up. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking for euro pound. Sell off, rejection, double top. At the very least, we're coming here. And with any additional momentum, we will hopefully come back down here to 8512. That's euro pound. What else? USD CAD. Where is that? Let's see. Yeah. Bullish on this too. So I'm practically bullish on everything, essentially. So this trade is most likely going to be triggered. Is this 36.44? Yes, it is. Okay. That's 36.44. Bullish on USD CAD. Cool. Next, it is the last trade will be AUD CAD. Looking for price. Let's see here. This is a tricky one, isn't it? I don't know about this one. Wait a minute. 8986. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure in regards to this one. I'm really not sure because I feel like I could take either one. I could take either trend line broke, comes back up, hasn't come back up fully, hasn't recovered fully. I don't know. I don't know. I'm already in this trade, so I guess it's not so bad that I don't know. Um, I think if we stay above, if we stay beneath this line here, the sell would make sense. We stay, there's a level here. You can see a thick level over here. So if we stay beneath it, the price is still bearish. If we break beyond it, I think that could be a change of trend, change of direction, and we will potentially move higher. At which time, you know, and this is like what, like 10 pips away, so anything can happen over the next 6 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands in regards to AUD CAD. I won't add anything because I can't really see. I can't really see. Well, I think that's pretty much it. I have covered everything. I've covered everything. At least I believe so. I believe I've covered everything. I'm looking forward to FMC tomorrow night. Um, I'm really looking forward to the fireworks. I'm really looking forward to the fireworks. So yeah, should be fun. Should be lit. Should be exciting. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Gold is coming down. I guess the advantage of all of this is that if it continues bearish, my entry is going to be above the price. So it would have to change direction completely in order to fill me. I'm not going to enter at market. So it could just fall and, that's that. And I won't lose money because I won't be in the trade. My entry is going to be above somewhere. So that's cool. USD franc is rallying. USD JPY is rallying still. USD CAD is something. And the dollar index is putting in a bullish candle. Just gonna have to wait and see. Just gonna have to wait and see. The next time I hop on the live, it'll be Thursday. So I will see you guys then. I will see you guys then. Hopefully, I have a story to share in regards to how much money I made or how much money I lost. But it's cool. I look forward to seeing you guys later on in the week. I will check you guys on Thursday.